Chapter 1. Movement of the body. Since the time we get up in the morning till we go to bed at night, we endlessly do some work or the other, right? For this purpose, the continuous movement of our body is necessary. 1. Movement of the legs. We use our legs quite frequently. The movement of our legs helps us to walk, run, jump, etc. The ankles and the knees of the legs bend. The toes bend too. We are able to lift our legs from the groins. Look at the pictures showing the movements of the legs. 1. To walk, movements of the ankle. 2. To run, movements of the toes and knees. 3. To skip, movement of ankles and toes. 4. To skip with the help of skipping rope, movement of ankles and the knees. 5. To dance, movement of ankle, knee and groin. 6. To climb, movement of ankle, knee and groin. 7. To sit cross-legged, movement of ankle, knee and groin. 8. To ride a bicycle, movement of ankle, knee and groin. 2. Movement of the arms. The hands are the most important parts of our arms. We move our hands very often. We pick up things with the help of our hands. Similarly, we are able to write, eat our food, and do a lot of other work with our hands. We are able to bend our wrist and elbow. We are able to move our shoulders up and down and rotate them in a circular motion. Besides, we are able to bend our fingers too. Look at the pictures showing the movements of the hands. 1. To draw rangoli designs, movement of fingers. 2. To write, fingers and wrist. 3. To hammer a nail in the wall, fingers, wrist, elbow. 4. To eat food, fingers, wrist, elbow. 5. To remove clothes from the clothesline with the help of a stick, movement of fingers, wrist, elbow, shoulders. 6. To play badminton, fingers, wrist, elbow, shoulders. 3. Movement of the neck. We use our neck to look towards the right side, the left side, up, down, and a little towards the back. Look at the pictures showing the movement of the neck. 1. To look towards the left side. 2. To look towards the right side. 3. To look a little behind. 4. To look up. 5. To look down. And 6. To move the neck in a circular movement. 4. Movement of the waist. We move our waist to bend forward, backward, to turn our body towards the right side and the left side. Look at the pictures showing the movement of the waist. 1. To bend forward. 2. To bend backward. 3. to turn our body towards the right and the left side. Besides this, when we breathe in air, our chest and the stomach move. When we look here and there, our eyes move. When we talk and laugh, our lips move. In this way, all the parts of our body move.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।